Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the Charisma Hotel and Resort developments in Jamaica. This is also known as the Sugarcane Bay development. Now this is one of the largest hotel developments in Jamaica. Billions of dollars. It's over $1 billion US investment in Jamaica. So they plan to build 5,000 hotel rooms, and they're estimated to attract 375,000 visitors a year to Jamaica for this development. So that's 375,000 more visitors. Now, this development is going to be done in St. Anne. And it's not one hotel that's going to make up the 5,000 rooms, but different hotel brands. Similar to what's going on by Hard Rock Hotel and Casino, where they have 3 hotels being built. You have the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino, the Unico, and a Half Moon Hotel being built on the property. This is a new norm in how they do it. Jamaica is definitely a favorite for people that want to invest in Jamaica. That, for example, this development, the hotel chain operates 2 other hotels in Negril, and they're doing so well that they now want to build this massive hotel. And a lot of hotels, Rio has 7 hotels in Jamaica. Secrets is building 2 more hotels in Jamaica. Palladium is expanding, Bahia Principal is expanding. So when these hotel brands come to Jamaica, they do so well that they are expanding. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what is one of the which probably is going to be the largest hotel developments in Jamaica. Charisma Hotels and Resorts, renowned for its luxury all-inclusive properties, has been actively expanding its footprint in Jamaica. The company already operates 2 resorts in Negril and has ambitious plans for a significant development in St. Anne. Charisma's project in St. Anne, known as the Sugarcane Project, is set to be the largest endeavor in Jamaica, spanning a 226-acre property. The development is planned to introduce up to 5,000 new hotel rooms over multiple phases. The initial phase was expected to commence with 700 rooms, with the entire project projected to create approximately 10,000 permanent jobs, attract around 375,000 visitors annually, and significantly boost the local economy. However, the onset of the COVID-19 pandemic led to delays in the project's progression. As of May 2023, reports indicate that the multi-million-dollar development is back on track, signaling a positive outlook for its future. In Negril, Charisma operates Azul Beach Resort Negril, offering guests a luxurious all-inclusive experience on Jamaica's famed 7 Mile Beach. Charisma's continued investment underscores its commitment to enhancing Jamaica's tourism landscape through luxury accommodations and a significant economic contribution. Charisma Hotel and Resorts is advancing its ambitious Sugarcane Bay Jamaica project in Landover, St. Anne. This multi-resort development spanning 226 acres is set to significantly enhance Jamaica's tourism landscape. Project overview. The development plans to introduce approximately 5,000 rooms across multiple resorts. The investment. The project represents a substantial investment of around $1 billion. Economic impact. It's anticipated to create 10,000 permanent jobs and attract 375,000 visitors annually, and contribute approximately 850 million to contribute 850 million each year to Jamaica's economy. The official groundbreaking ceremony took place in 2020. The project is structured in multiple phases, with the initial phase expected to deliver 700 rooms. The amenities include a commercial center and luxury residences, aiming to create a comprehensive resort experience. After experiencing delays, the project is now back on track with construction activities progressing. Alright guys, so that is the end of the update article. We will keep you guys updated on this development. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.